My name is Edward Mutinda. I work with Kenya Deposit Insurance Corporation, and I'm in charge of infrastructure. Yes, so I was here since Monday to take CRISC, a training on risk management, and the training has been very good, very informative. I have learned a lot from the trainer. The trainer had very good materials. He had very good knowledge and content on the subject matter. Good examples on how we can apply it on our organization and also our personal lives in our careers. So I would say I've learned a lot, and I would recommend CLC to any person to take any training as this.